Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're working on an HP Officejet 6600 printer. If you've ever noticed that whenever you print to your whenever you print from your computer to the printer, that everything looks good, you're not having any troubles with your printouts. But as soon as you're going to make a copy or a scan of something, then you're going to start getting any kind of defect on the page, so whether it be really blurry, or you're getting vertical lines or splotches, anything like that, it's going to indicate that there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So today we're going to show you how to clean scanner glass. So depending if you're using the document feeder and that's when you're noticing a lot of the problems showing up, then you're going to want to focus on this piece of glass on the left side of the printer. If you notice it when you're using the flatbed scanner and you're actually putting the paper on the glass, then you're going to want to focus on cleaning the flatbed scanner. This instance, we're actually been noticing most of the problems whenever we've been scanning through the document feeder. So we're going to go to this little piece of glass on the left. The best way to clean the glass is always apply your favorite either glass cleaner, or if you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, to a lint-free cloth. You always want to make sure that the cleaner is applied directly to the cloth and never to the glass. If you apply the cleaner to the glass, there's a good possibility you can make things a lot worse. So always apply your cleaner to the towel. So we're going to focus on this piece of glass on the left side of the printer, since we've been seeing most of our issues from the document feeder. We're going to just clean the glass really well, looking for anything that's been left on the glass, whether it be ink or whiteout or just smudges in general. Sometimes you'll see adhesive on them, tape, things like that. And we just want to make sure it's clear of any kind of debris or any kind of smudges. And kind of look it over, make sure you're happy with the way the glass looks. You're not seeing any kind of little defects with it. And then while we're here, we'll go ahead and just wipe down the flatbed as well, just to try to prevent anything else from showing up. Alright, so now that we've cleaned the glass, I'm happy with the way everything looks. I'd close it up and I'd go ahead and run some extra copies, just to test and make sure you're happy with the way everything looks. If you're still seeing slight smudges or still a little bit of a line or something there, just go ahead and clean the glass one more time. That should get you back up and printing.